Hi everyone, welcome back to Heather's Crafty Classroom. Today I have a new project share. Let me show you what I made. I made an explosion box. It's made with sunflower paper. This is the paper I used. Oh, let me get it. It is Sunset Fields from Michael's Recollections. And let's see, I think it was last year maybe, or the year before. So it's either 2023 or 2022. So I've had it in my stash. I still have quite a few sheets left. I'm going to try to do another project with this to get this out of my stash. I want to finish the pad. So this is my box I made. It measures 4 by 4 by 4. All right. And I used this paper had this really cute wood grain. So I used that on the sides with the cute sunflowers. And then on top, I matted gold with the paper. And then this was one of the cut aparts. And I matted that on gold and popped it up a little. And then the flowers are all from my stash. Some of them are from, these sunflowers are from Dollar Tree from last year or the year before. So anyway, let's open it up and show you what I did on the inside because it's not just an explosion box. So it explodes, right? Just like a normal explosion box. And each one is exactly the same. So I did these two. I used the plastic snaps to hold them closed. Let's try to do something different. So I thought that would be cute. And then these two I tied. So these two tied. These two are the plastic snaps. I got a kit off of Amazon probably a couple years ago, and I've only used it once. So I thought I'm gonna give it a try here. And because our each flap is so thick, I thought that would be cute. All right, so in the middle, I have a little bow. It's a double bow. Been trying to work on my bow making skills. So a double bow with some flowers and another sunflower. And then this one is from the strips from the paper pad. And it says love. So let's see, which one should we open? I'm going to just open one because they are all the same and it gets very, very large. So this one I'm going to open up. And it opens up. And then it opens up. So it's essentially, it's a maze card using an explosion box. I didn't add any embellishments to these because they were already so thick. And once we add some photos, it's going to get really, really thick. So it just closes up just like so and snaps. Now I did leave extra room on the snaps. So you can see I can fit my hand in there. So when we do add all those photos, we'll have plenty of room. So it can hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 photos. The smallest photos are going to be 3 by 3. The biggest are going to be 4 by 4, trimmed down just a smidge because these are actually 4 by 4, so they'll just be trimmed down a little bit. So I know that these are a little harder, but you don't have to put a picture on every one. Sometimes you're just going to put a sentiment or you're going to do a little journaling or something. So each one of these is the same for the most part. And I just think it turned out so, so cute. I am loving it. Just for funsies, I'll open one more. So it opens, and then it opens, and then it opens, and it opens, and it opens. I just love this. I think it's so cute. So this is what I have to share. A tutorial may be coming very soon. It's very possible. And I did do the lid just a little bit bigger than the box so it fits on really well. And I did line the box as well, just like I did everything else with the same paper. And I was trying to use the sunflower paper without it looking too fall, because the fall paper or the fall lines always have sunflowers. So I was trying to make it look a little more summery. I don't know if I quite did that or not, but I think it's really cute. And I just love the sentiment on here that our pictures tell our story, because that is 100%. Anyway, I just had to share with you, so sorry, my explosion maze box is what I'm going to call it. I hope you enjoy it. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to get a tutorial out soon. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye.